sign is turned off and keep the aisle clear from all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat pocket for any personal items like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful as items may have moved in flight. All electronic devices, including cell phones, must remain off. American Airlines and our One Block partners, thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon. We realize many of you have tight connections here in London. We ask for those passengers, if this is your final destination or if you do not have a tight connection, that you kindly allow these folks to deplane first. Just remain at your seat and keep the aisle clear until the passengers with their with connections have a moment to deplane. I know that they would appreciate